Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about string methods in Python. So string is nothing but a sequence of character. While defining a string in Python, it can be either enclosed in a single quote or in double quote. Strings are immutable. Okay, now we declare a string in a variable. Let it be str. I just declare a variable like hello world. So we know this is a string. So what are the methods applicable on this string? First of all, what is a method? A method is a one which can act on the object. So string is an object. How do I know string is an object? If you just type or try to know what is the data type of this str, it returns class string. It means str is an object which belongs to the class string. So I have to know the methods which can be invoked on this object. So dir is a function. As an argument, I'm passing str. So I'm coming to know all the possible methods which can be applicable on the string object. Okay, let us explore few methods on it. Okay, so first I want to invoke the method upper. If I invoke this method, it will return completely every character in the uppercase. Yes, hello world is completely converted into uppercase. Okay, similarly we have the lowercase function also. For that I'll take one more string. Let me call it as a message. Watch me regularly is my string. You can see that few characters are in uppercase. Now I want to convert this into lower. So what is a method I need to invoke on it? Lower. If I invoke and print completely all the characters which are were in uppercase turned into lowercase now. Okay, what are the other methods applicable? We have a method to know whether it is starting with a particular character or a substring. So now I'm going to check whether the message starts with the word watch. Yes, it says it is true because it is begun with the word or the substring watch. Okay. Similarly, I can check whether it is ending with ly. Message dot ends with, but while checking with ly, I'll give in caps. Let us see what it replies. It replies false. So actually in the text we have the lowercase ly, but when we were testing we have given the uppercase ly. Okay, now how do I test this now? Do I have any other method? Yes. Message dot upper dot ends with. Now I can use the same uppercase ly. I think, yeah, I have forgot to put the brackets. I'll include that now. Message dot upper is a method, right? Then ends with. Yes, it is returning the value true. So till now we have explored upper, lower, starts with and ends with. Now we explore a method called count. Okay, let me consider message, the string message, and I am going to count how many times the word me is available there. Yeah, it says it is present one time. Okay, now let me use the same count method to count the number of times e is present. So count, in the bracket I have to pass the character or the substring. It says E is present twice in the text or in the string, watch me regularly. So there is a count method. Now we will explore find method. So what is the purpose of the find method? Find method, you can find a substring or a character in the given string and it will return you the index. So find, I'm going to search for the substring me again. So me is present starting from the index 6. So let us check that. W is at the index 0, A at 1, T at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, M begins at the index 6. Okay. Now, I want to search for the presence of the letter E now. It says that it is available at the index 7. Actually, there is one more E also, right? Because from the count method, we have understood that. So I want to search the other E also, but after the index 7. So message dot find of E. Already one E is at the index 7. So I want to continue searching from the 8th index. Yeah, another E is present at the location 10 or at the index 10. Okay. Now we have one more method, replace. Message dot replace. So which word is to be replaced now? ME I want to replace with MCS. Let us see whether it is working successfully. Yes, it is working successfully. Watch MCS regularly. Okay, now let me print what is message. Message remains the same. There is no change in the actual message. Every time you impact or you make changes in the original message, it is not changing the original message. Another object is created. That is why we call strings are immutable. Likewise, there are many methods available. Let us see the other methods through program. I'll meet you in the other video. Thank you. I hope you have understood this. Please continue watching my videos and subscribe to my channel also.